first time, we tamed the power of machines. The second time, we mastered the code of energy. The third time, we built the universe of digits. And now, the consciousness of computing power is awakening. The fourth industrial revolution is the leap from carbon to silicon intelligence. When AI is no longer just a tool, but a mirror of thought. When DePIN is no longer a concept, but the lifeblood of computing power, we are standing at the watershed of the computing power civilization. By 2025, AI will consume 6% of global GDP, yet the empire of centralized computing power is beginning to collapse. The monopoly of computing power behind high walls can no longer sustain the explosive creativity of generative AI. Star's leading scientists join forces with DePIN to build a new paradigm. Through a decentralized compute network, every GPU becomes a synapse in the AI universe. DePIN is committed to providing DPN with leading technical solutions, with the mission to reshape the way global computing power is accessed. Behind DePIN stands the world's top scientific research forces. DePIN works closely with the Agency for Science, Technology and Research (STAR) in Singapore, turning cutting-edge breakthroughs from national-level laboratories into a computing power revolution that changes the world. At the Institute of High-Performance Computing (IPH), every line of code is verified trillions of times. Every algorithm carries industrial-grade rigor. This is the cornerstone of DePIN's technological leadership. From laboratories to global nodes, from theoretical breakthroughs to commercial implementation, DePIN, responsible for the commercial implementation of technology. 42DAO provides decentralized financial infrastructure for DPN. The DPN Foundation was born out of necessity, committed to leveraging the token economy model, incentivize deep community participation, accelerate the expansion and development of the entire network. The starlight from the ivory tower will eventually illuminate the digital civilization from DPIN to DPN, turning theory into reality. From the Dubai headquarters to the Singapore lab, from Southeast Asian nodes to the Middle Eastern computing power hub, we are weaving a computing power neural network that spans the course of civilization. From entertainment to cloud gaming, from AI training to data mining, and further to the trust foundation of blockchain. The computing network built by DPN is becoming the core engine of the digital world. This is a computing power revolution spanning 3 continents, driven jointly by top strategists, technology leaders, and ecosystem builders. Mohammed Yusuf, DPN Middle East Market Strategic Advisor. Dr. Aima Ko, DPN Education President. Pekka Kelka, DPN Computing Power Development President. Daniel Schwartz, DPN Chief Operating Officer. Dr. Tony Go, DPN President of Ecosystem Development. They are the cornerstone of DePIN's global strategy, redefining rules with expertise, shaping the future with vision. 42DAO, initiated by the BGH Ecosystem Fund, brings together global board members from Singapore, the Way, Guyana, Brazil, Malaysia, Thailand, India, Hong Kong, and more, dedicated to providing a solid decentralized finance foundation for DPN. Launched alongside is 42DAO Swap, which empowers the free circulation of DPN digital assets, significantly enhances liquidity, and accelerates its global adoption and application. The first cornerstone of DePIN's global footprint was established in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Here stands the Asia-Pacific's first decentralized compute power hub. The GPU Compute Power Testing Center and Global Operations Command Center have officially launched, marking the beginning of the substantial construction phase for the global decentralized compute power network. Starting from Johor Bahru, computing power surges like tides, flowing freely to every corner of the world. DePIN's application scenarios are wide-ranging and full of potential, spanning multiple industries and driving the acceleration of global AI computing power progress. Esports hotels. DPN empowers esports hotels with cloud-based solutions, reducing costs and enhancing the experience. Malacca Huisheng Hotel takes the lead, becoming the world's first pilot project. Cloud gaming. Breaking device and regional limitations, DPN enables players to enjoy high-quality games anytime, anywhere. Cloud Internet Cafes. Intelligently allocating computing power resources to enhance performance and reduce maintenance pressure. AI Computing Power DPN provides powerful computing power for AI training, accelerating technological breakthroughs. global GPU power support, serving leading tech giants. Rapidly emerging as the core compute engine of the AI era. Through these multi-scenario applications, DPN is redefining the acquisition and utilization of AI computing power, driving the transformation and upgrading of the global AI economy, and supporting innovation and development across various industries. DPN will become the third major factor of production platform after the Internet and capital, integrating globally distributed computing power resources, building an open, efficient, and trustworthy decentralized GPU computing power network to drive industry transformation and achieve inclusive computing power access. DPN breaks the monopoly of centralized computing power, enabling small and medium-sized enterprises, research institutions, and developers to equally access high-performance computing power, accelerating innovation in AI, cloud gaming, 3D rendering, and other fields. By integrating edge computing with clean energy nodes, DPN is committed to reducing the carbon footprint and promoting the future of green computing networks. Looking towards 2030, DPN is advancing to become the central nervous system of global AI computing power. DPN aims to handle over 10% of the world's AI workloads, building the first truly decentralized global GPU computing network. From 2026 to 2028, DPN will deploy computing centers with 15,000 GPU cards across North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, covering more than 30 countries and regions to build a global decentralized computing power backbone network. In the era of AI awakening, computing power is the future. DPN enables every unit of computing power to flow freely and be shared fairly. When the last isolated computing power island connects to the network, when the barrier to innovation is no longer out of reach, history will remember you and I together igniting the first dawn of the DPN computing power revolution.